Hi, my name is Priscilla, and this is Toddler Time with Priscilla. Hi everyone, welcome back to Toddler Time with Priscilla. For today's activity, I will show you and your little one how to make a hand print butterfly. Here are the supplies you will need: paper, craft stick, pom-poms, markers, glue, tape, scissors, and a pencil. Start by folding the paper in half. Trace your toddler's hand onto the paper, making sure the bottom of the hand is on the fold. Only trace from the middle of the hand all the way around. Cut out the template. Lay the template down with the thumbs on top. Glue the craft stick to the middle of the template and tape the pom-poms onto the craft stick. Have your toddler decorate the wings with markers. And there you have it, a beautiful handprint butterfly. We hope you have a great time creating this with your little ones. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our social media accounts so you don't miss out on our next fun Toddler Time activity. Until next time, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged. Bye!